Hello my sparkles of light, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing September's 2020 Boxy Charm.
So excited to see what I got this month.
I did open the box already. I just kind of wanted to see if I wanted to try anything on for you first. Just let me know in the comment section if you prefer I try the products on for you like right here, or if you want me to like already have them on. I'm trying to figure out the best way to like keep my videos short and to keep you interested. The little card, and the first thing we have, let's see, it says it's gonna be, oh my god, this is a Kate Somerville exfoliant intense exfoliating treatment. You guys, this retails for $85. So that's one thing I didn't do. I didn't check out like all the retail prices yet. So this is all a surprise. And I haven't opened this yet. I haven't tested out the smells. I was gonna wait with that. We're gonna see. It says it's for all skin types, and which is cool. See if it helps with my oily skin. I hope it works. I do. You see, I'm having a little issue here, so. How cute that is, right? Just a nice $85 bottle. It smells so good, you guys. It doesn't say intense exfoliating. Okay, let me show you guys this surprise color here. Ready to see this? Look at this. Look at that. I think I used too much for $85. I can't get over the smell. It's kind of like minty. Oh, that's like so thick, so it feels like a little bit will go a long way. Look at that. I use way too much on my hand. Look at me wasting that away. It's okay. Let's exfoliate this. Exfoliate. You can see what it's doing. It's turning like a, you're supposed to AM or PM, use once or twice a week. See results in just 2 minutes. Apply a thin layer on clean wet face, massaging and circular. So you should be using a wet surface, which I didn't do. But let me get my water. All right, I have sparkling water in here, but I'm gonna just dab a little bit in here. Okay. So now that it's a little bit wet, that feels like it's, you see, that feels so good. I could feel this exfoliating. I need that for my hands too, so. Okay, I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna let you guys know how it feels when I get right back, okay? All right, I'm back. So now that I've washed my hand, the smell does linger there. My hand feels nice and soft. I'm just gonna follow up with this lotion. This did not come in here, but I wanted to show you guys this real quick. This is a hemp body lotion. It's pomegranate. I got this at Walmart. Okay, this is not what the video is about, but it's so good. And I have to keep my hands moisturized after this. The Elmar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. Look how gorgeous this is. When I saw this, I was just so in awe because the detailing in this. Look at this. Isn't that just like gorgeous? Wait till you see this. Spanglish. Might need to turn this back down. Look at this. Oh my god. So gorgeous. Look at these colors. Those are so pretty, right? Okay, so it's nice. It has a nice big mirror right here. So we're going to swatch these. The first one is going to be this here. That one is the Pero-like. So it's like Spanglish. Pretty. Next is, we'll do all the shimmers first. So we have 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. Eres un show. These shimmers so far are really pretty. All right, next is going to be the Tien Swing. You can see there's this next one. And then the last shimmer, Guau. Guau. If anyone knows what these mean, then please let me know. DESCRÍÇÃO. I mean, I could look it up, I know, but if I look it up myself, how am I gonna make friends and communicate with you guys, right? Now we're gonna go to the matte shades. Cute. There's this one. And we have a nice brown called Ya, if you can see. And then Muy Excited. It's kind of like a burnt orange. And the last one is Ponte Hyper. Look at how bright. Look at these colors. There's my swatches. Those are the colors you get. This is the skin tone that it looks like on. All right, so this retails for $28. All right, so now we're going to go to Huda Beauty. There's a matte and metal melted shadows. I've never used a matte liquid shadow like this before. They've just been like the sheer kind, so that's really cool. Colors are Hot Sauce and Cherry Soda. Double-sided. See how this opens. So it's you can see the tip. It's like the ones that are like flat on each side. Holds a lot of product on it. Oh. That's really pretty. I know a lot of my unboxings, I'm like,
oh my god, this is great.
I really do get a lot of great stuff. Don't really have a lot to complain about with it, you know. Pretty satisfied. And so now let's see the shimmer side. This looks like it's like a brush. You can see my hand's so shaky. Nice, right? Gorgeous. I will test this out. I think I will do this in like maybe a tutorial. What do you guys think? I'm curious to see how this is gonna look on my eyes and if it's gonna crease. Oh yeah, what do you guys think of my eyelashes? I tried eyelashes, can you believe it? I never have them on, right? But I decided to have fun and try some out. So I got some Kiss ones, Kiss brand. It was like a new one. You might see me with eyelashes all the time. I don't know, I like the way they make my eyes look. Next is, what is it? This Laura Geller Lashboss Bold Mascara. And it shows a little before and after, how it's supposed to be. If you can see. There it is. And this retails for $24. And there's the tip. So I do have on this mascara. I did put it on after the false lashes, and then I put it on the bottom, so I'll show you how that looks up close a bit. All right, so you can see, ooh, let me curl up here. There we go. Sorry, I'm already getting so oily. So it wasn't like super great. $24? I personally don't think I would spend the $24. I don't think it was worth that. I think maybe 15, I want to say. Next is the last thing. Bam! This is a $1 billion beauty charcoal beauty sponge. I don't think I've ever seen a charcoal beauty sponge. The retail price is $15 for this. And let's see. And this is vegan and it's charcoal infused, it says. Okay. And here it is. Feels very firm right now. Actually smells good. Smells like makeup and like, I don't know, goodness. This feels good. All right, so let me guys know if you like my unboxing videos, if they're informative for you. Got some good things today, and it was a good September box, I think. I want to rate this box, let's see, out of 5 stars. I'll give this box, since there was like 5 items, I'm gonna give it 4 stars because the mascara, I wasn't in like love with it and awe with it. It just didn't give me that length that I wanted. It felt kind of clumpy even when I was putting it on. just in case you care. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed checking out what I got for Boxy Charm for September. If you did, give this video a thumbs up so that I know you liked it, and consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content from me. I'm just gonna keep growing and getting better, and I'd love you to join me on this journey. So thank you so much for watching. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye.